This video is possible because of BESTLINE Racing. They make racing additives that actually work. You can use these from your daily driver to your race car. If you want to get some, there will be a link in the description with a 20% off coupon code DGUIDE20. Get you 20% off your entire purchase price. So now we're going to get to the video. Just wanted to say huge thanks to BESTLINE Racing for making this possible. Damn, son, I can feel it. So we're back here at Little River Dragway. We have the short gear transmission in. The only thing that we've really changed is we went from the long gear transmission to the short gear, and we put the 99 to 2000 headlight. We got a spare thanks to Slammin' Weldon out of Killeen, Texas. He provided the headlight, but nothing really has changed. We haven't adjusted the tune. We haven't advanced timing like we're going to, but we're about to run, so we're going to go past tech and then we're going to make some passes. So if you didn't notice on that run, when I very first went to take off, it kind of acted like I pushed the clutch in or something. Well, I didn't. I don't know exactly what happened at the time. We took it back to the pit area, checked everything over, didn't find any issues, but it acted like it popped out at first, which it didn't. So we didn't think much of it and made a second pass, and here it is. As you can see on that pass, it ran a 13.51 at 101 miles per hour, which is way better than this car's ever ran at the track so far. That was with full interior, with the AC belt on, everything there. So we decided we're going to go ahead and take the interior out, at least a majority of it. So we went ahead and took a majority of the interior out, and we went back for our third pass, and that's when we ran into catastrophic failure. So here it is. So as you can see on that run, it snapped right at the starting line. This is because I didn't preload the suspension. Basically what you do when you preload the suspension, pull the e-brake up, push clutch in, put it in first gear, slightly let off the clutch while putting a load on your engine, transmission, everything. With the e-brake pulled up, hit and launch control, and as soon as the light turns green, you let off the clutch and put the e-brake down, and you go. That's preloading. That would have got me out of the hole faster, and I had plans to do an entire video on it, but it didn't happen because this happened. Normally I have a backup CV axle, but I ended up using it on the green car to get it sold, so I didn't have a spare axle I could have just thrown in. So it's very important to preload. I highly recommend it, but it's not an easy task. It takes some practice to learn. But now we're going to get back to the pits and go from there. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly what happened when we did that launch. You can kind of see down there, the CV axle completely broke. Part of it's still stuck inside the transmission. So Jeremy ended up, and his son ended up putting the interior back in, and we're gonna get it figured out. We gotta pop that wheel off, put the normal headlight and intake back on, and pull the CV axle out. And it still drives, so we're going to try to limp it home. If we can't, we'll have to get it towed. But the one time he forgot to bring the tow bar, it was the one time we needed it, because every other time we never needed it. But It's okay, it still runs, it still drives. We just gotta fix that, which I have a lifetime warranty on, so. He works at O'Reilly's, so. But we're gonna go ahead and get all that swapped over, and then we'll go from there. All right, so I'm back at the house. There goes BJ. Gave me a ride over here on the trailer. So huge shout out to him. I'm gonna post some pictures here of his car. Huge shout out to BJ for saving us. We got back around 2 a.m. so it's been a very long night. Ended up getting a brand new CV axle. We will be doing upgraded CV axles in case you were curious. The 500 horsepower ones, they're just expensive and I'm on limited funds right now. But I'm gonna try to get some. I'm more focused on getting that engine done before getting axles, but I have 2 brand new ones with warranties, so I'm just gonna keep doing that and probably do more preloading so that way they don't snap. But I've seen 10-second cars, D-Series, run on factory axles before, so I know it's possible. Just gotta do it just right, preload it. But yeah, huge shout out to Cody, who ended up warrantying it out for me, and huge shout out to BJ, and obviously my crew, and everyone at BESTLINE. So huge shout out to all of you guys. You guys have made this all possible, and thank you to subscribers like you that hit the like button and drop a comment and share my videos on social media. Huge thank you to you guys. We'll have more stuff coming. This is only the beginning. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video where we take the interior out of here and we make this thing lighter. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.